Hi guys, how are you today? My name is BaileySarian, and today I want to do a really dramatic smoky eye look for either Halloween or just because, you know, why not? Do it up for all your parties. It's really easy, and I think you'll like it. I mean, I really like it, so I don't really care what you think. But today I wanted to use items that I received in my Ipsy October glam bag. As some of you guys may know, I'm an Ipsy creator, and what that means is every month I get a couple more goodies in my glam bag to really show how to use them, what they do, who it's for, what it's gonna do, tips and tricks. But other than that, I will stop rambling and let's get to the tutorial. I'm going to cleanse my face first, so I'm using the Murad Essential C Cleanser. This has vitamin A, C, and E in it, which is gonna help neutralize the skin and defend from free radical damage. I'm massaging into my face. It's super creamy, it feels good, it feels hydrating. And then I'm just gonna rinse it off. Now that I rinsed off the cleanser, I'm using the black eye mask. These are patches that help depuff. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's really also gonna help hydrate the under eye. So I'm just gonna place this right underneath the eye and let it sit for about 15 minutes. And it should help with my puffiness and dark circles, okay? So now I'm just patting in the serum from the black eye mask, but I also got 111 Skin Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. This is supposed to help with darkness, puffiness, and fine lines, so I'm tapping this around my eye. It's also super hydrating, so my concealer and under eye won't look dry and cakey at all. We don't want that when I cake it on. This is the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions eyeshadow palette. Ooh. And I haven't used this one yet, so I figured I would do like obviously a look with it. I primed my eyes, and I'm going to use like a fluffier eyeshadow brush with, I think this shade right down here. And I'm going to place this right into the crease of my eye. With a smaller crease brush, let's do this one. Why not? Right into my crease. A fluffier blending brush, and this color right here, I'm now going to come right on the edge of that shade to soften it. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion, and I'm going to place this onto my lid all the way up towards my crease because I want a really dark, dramatic, smoky eye. So I do a thick line, and then with a small brush, I'm going to blend it. So smudging it downwards. There's this color right here in the palette, so I'm going to use this with my finger and press it on right over the liner. Putting down the black first gives a really dark base, so when I put on the shadow, it will be really dark and smoky. This shade that I used in my crease, with my crease brush, just lightly go on the edge. That's fun, I like that. So, I got the Naked Cosmetics Heavy Metal shade number HE03. This was in my glam bag. I think I want to add it right in my tear duct. These are super high in pigment. They're creamy, they're beautiful, and they'll last you forever because you get a ton. So with a small brush, I'm just taking a little bit of the pigment and placing it right in here. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Now that both eyes are done, I'm just taking a makeup remover wipe and I'm cleaning up any of the fallout, and then also sharpening up these edges. Boom, shakalaka. For foundation today, I want to use my Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I use the shade Vanilla, and I use this as my foundation because it's bomb. I just place it all over my face, and then I'll take a brush and blend it out. I've been using this ever since I did the video with Jill. If you didn't see that video, she used this as my foundation, and I've been doing it ever since, and I love it. I did a really good job putting it on. Then I just use my brush to really push it and buff it into the skin. And then before adding my second layer, because I feel like I need a little bit more coverage, I let it sit and I let it dry, and while it dries, I do my eyebrows. I think having the patience to really let it sit and not glob everything on has been like the hardest thing I've been trying to do, but Definitely pays off. I feel like my skin doesn't look so cakey all the time, but it's hard to hold back. So while that sits, I do my brows. I'm using my Mellow Brow Powder Duo in Chocolate, and this brush I got in my glam bag is the Bugeshi Eyebrow Brush. This is a nice brush because it's thin enough, but it's also very firm. You can use it for your brows. It also makes like a really good lip brush, or even getting like that lower lash line, but I'm just gonna use it for my brows today. So I like to use a darker shade from my arch downwards, but also in any spots where I have holes where I overplucked. And then the lighter shade I like to use in the beginning of my brow. Okay, so I'm doing another layer of the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer to give me a little bit more coverage, which is mainly like, you know, my hyperpigmentation. And then I'm buffing that into the skin. This is a little extra, and you don't have to do this, but this is what I've been doing. So I'd be lying if I told you that I wasn't doing this. Really over-explained for that. Born This Way concealer in the shade Natural Beige. Go a little bit darker on my forehead because that's where we are naturally a little bit darker. Like our forehead is usually darker than the rest of our face. So I used this on my forehead. And it's not that big of a difference, but it does make a difference. Does that make sense? I've been liking this little technique. I also use this shade as my contour as well. So right in the hollow of my cheek and then on my jawline. And it's just like maybe 2 shades darker. It's nothing too crazy. In my glam bag, I got the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Contour Concealer. And I have the shade Light Sand. So this is their best-selling concealer that really helps highlight, smooth, shape the face. So I'm putting it to work, and I'm gonna make it shape and highlight and smooth my under eyes. If you watch like all my tutorials, I was using the Shape Tape forever, and then I ran out, and I don't know why I haven't gone back to it. So once I blended out my concealer, I'm taking my Lancome. This is the Long Time No Shine Translucent Mattifying Powder. I've been liking this one a lot. So I just use it with my beauty blender and set my under eyes. I feel like this one doesn't get really cakey at all. It also gives some brightness underneath the eyes. But it also keeps me matte too, so no shine. While that sits, I'm going to do my under eyes. We'll finish my under eyes. Going back to my Huda Beauty palette with a small brush and this blue shade right here. I'm going to place this along my lower lash line. And then with a fluffier brush, I'm going to soften and blend that out. I'm grabbing that Naked Cosmetics loose pigment and placing this right along my lower lash line. Ooh. And then lastly with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. This is just going to go right into my waterline. I'm using a larger brush to dust off the loose powder. I really like how this eye came out. It looks bomb. This I got in my glam bag. It's the Decay Freematic Bronzer in Sunbeam. So this is super buildable. It blends smoothly into the skin. I'm going to pat it right into the hollows of my cheek and then coming onto my cheekbone for some warmth. Also along my hairline. I love a good bronzer, especially with a smoky eye and you got like brown skin. Hot. I made my face super white and now I'm going super tan. I'm just getting carried away with this bronzer. I'm used to using this other bronzer I have, but it's so sheer, so I layer it so heavy, and this one just like showed up so nice. Glamour Dolls mascara. It's a black shade. It's easy to use. Ooh, I like this wand. Can you see it? I don't know. I go through stages where I like a really thick wand on my mascara, but I also like these teeth on mascaras because they'll really lengthen and separate. So I'm putting on a coat of mascara on my top and bottom lashes, and then I'll put on a pair of false eyelashes for that extra drama. These are the makeup, no they're not. They're called Bold Face and they're called Super Stacked. And they definitely are super stacked. Now I'm gonna line my lips with Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil number 506. Ooh, this is the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Bikini Babe. I like this one, it's pretty. Okay, I'm going to put on a lip gloss, and this is by Laritzi Cosmetics, and the shade is Aura. So this is hydrating, and it has a really nice high shine to it, but it also has a pink shift, look. Ooh. Wow, I love this look so much. I'm feeling cute. Do I need a blush? Yeah, okay. I have the NARS Orgasm. This is a nice blush because it really complements any look and any skin tone. Since I'm wearing blue, it could be a little scary to try and wear a blush. I got way too much. I spoke too soon, too confidently. Wait, I'm almost done. Stop laughing. I got 2 other items in my glam bag, which I'm wearing this one right now. It's called Sundays, and it's number 18 nail polish. It's 10 free, it's vegan, cruelty free, and non-toxic, which I think is awesome. But this color is so pretty. It's perfect for fall, and it matches my ring look. Wow. The NATURELAB Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. So this is a hair mask that's going to help deep condition for smoother, stronger hair. It's nice because you want to leave on for like 3 to 5 minutes, which is easy in the shower. It's not like one of those 10-minute masks that you have to leave on and you're sitting there just wasting water. I've gotten like the shine spray from them, which I really like, and I got a leave-in conditioning treatment, which has been my favorite. So this one I'm really excited to try. My hair is really damaged. I've been shellacking it back with this hair gel. So I feel like the gel is definitely drying my hair out. It needs all the moisture it can get. And this definitely is going to help protect, smooth, soften, and really heal my hair. Plus it smells good. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you think down below. I think it'll be great for going out on Halloween, or if you just want to do like a smoky eye in general. I think it's fire. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want to wear it? Let me know down below. I want to say a big thank you to Ipsy and all the brand partners for the goodies I received in my October glam bag. But other than that, I hope you have a really good day today. You make good choices, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye.